With the evolving technology landscape, could you please elaborate on how technology and maritime industry is evolving in the coming years?
The maritime industry historically has been a little bit behind the rest of the world when it comes to technology. When you look at what we refer to as ocean economies, which is from A to Z, not only the shipping, but ports, logistics, what you find is that there are many organizations coming up with new technologies to modernize every one of those verticals. One of the biggest issues we find is that while several of those verticals are starting to see new technologies that enables them to be better, there is not one horizontal platform that interconnects the entire ecosystem. And that creates a challenge because it means that we are not able to have full visibility and full analytics of the entire ecosystem. So today we're working very heavily in trying to change that, in trying to make those verticals more efficient, but also to have that database that interconnects the entire ecosystem so we can truly start taking advantage of new generation technologies.
Emerging technologies is big hype nowadays with artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain. How has all these potential technologies are improving the operational efficiencies of maritime industry?
Today we are working on vessel optimization, operational optimization. So we are monitoring different equipment in the vessels to ensure that we can track the operational performance of the machinery and that we can come up with predictive maintenance environments. We have developed some voyage optimization applications which in a smart way allow us to ensure that vessels can take the most efficient route so that it minimizes the use of fuel, it minimizes the cost in terms of crew, in terms of maintenance. We are currently working on a very interesting project which we call data orchestration, which together with artificial intelligence will enable us to have an entire predictive environment for maritime classification society.
Any potential technology trend in maritime industry that you foresee?
We will see a lot more focus on IoT. As I mentioned earlier, predictive maintenance is key. When you look at operations of ships, equipment that malfunctions can create hazards for people, and we take safety as a very serious challenge. So we believe that IoT combined with artificial intelligence to enable us to identify potential challenges with equipment before it happens is critical and is simply the future.
How can technology solutions help address environmental concerns and promote sustainability within maritime industry?
One of them, of course, is to enable the industry to transition to future greener fuels. IoT is going to be critical, not only for predictive maintenance, but to ensure that we have clearly, properly operating equipment, which means that it produces less emissions at the same time. Also, there are different technologies such as different types of paintings, new constructions that allow the vessels to spend less fuel. So there are many things being done, and as a classification society, Lloyd's Register is working on virtually all of them to enable the industry to move to the next level and to create a green environment.